Maxwell. Hello. You come here. You come here. Little boy. Come here. Hello. What are you doing? I think you've said that a few times. What are you doing? Yeah. You got 2 new holes in your box. Can't see at the front. Can you? You can't sit in there and watch me? No, I have to poke the handle out for you. Huh? So you can sit in there and stare at me. Yeah? Is that what I had to do? Show everybody your baseboard that you did back there. Show them what you did with the baseboard. Yeah. Yeah. Drop that. Shake, shake, shake. Good job. Put it away. Yeah. Stop saying hi. Maxwell. You know other words. We said hi 3 million times. Are you listening to me? I don't think you are. Maxwell. Maxwell Bird. Bye. I'm gonna go to work. I gotta go to work. Would you behave today? Do you know how to behave for once in your life? Yeah? Do you know how to be a good bird? I didn't think so. I didn't think so. Come here. Come here. Right now. Over here. I said come here. Right here. Maxwell? 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 You're not listening. Come here. Come here. Come here. Right here. Right here. You're Brat. You're Brat. Brat. Brat.